त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव त्वमेव सर्वं मम देव देव। जे उत्पत्ति स्थिति लय करे वेदो स्तुति उच्चरे जे नारोम सुछिद्रमाणु समा ब्रह्मांड कोटि परे माया काळ रवि शशि सुरगणो आज्ञान लोपेक्षण एवाक्षरधामनाधिपति श्री स्वामी नारायण जन्यमृतवाणी तो बहिरहि साक्षात् महिमा रूपे जनी ब्राह्मी स्थिति अहोलिन करे सुभव्य अक्षर पदे शरणागत निजाल्प जीव सहुना श्रेयार्थ तत्पर रहे काका स्नेहल सिंधु दिव्य विभुने हयूं तो वंदन करे। सजानंद स्वामी महाराज नी जय जय जय। आज के आनंद की जय जय जय। सद्गुरुदेव की जय जय जय। गुरु हरि काकाजी महाराज, गुरु हरि पप्पाजी महाराज, बंधु बेलड़ी शताब्दी पर्व महोत्सव नी जय जय जय। प्रगट ब्रह्म स्वरूप हरि प्रसाद स्वामी महाराज नी जय जय जय। प्रगट ब्रह्म स्वरूप जसभाई साहेब नी जय जय जय। प्रगट ब्रह्म स्वरूप प्रमुख स्वामी महाराज नी जय जय जय। प्रगट ब्रह्म स्वरूप महंत स्वामी महाराज नी जय जय जय। प्रगट ब्रह्म स्वरूप मुकुंद जीवन स्वामी गुरु जी महाराज नी जय जय जय। सर्वे गुणातीत स्वरूपों नी जय जय जय। આજે સરસ અમારા 3 મુક્તની બર્થડે ઉજવાઈ. ભવ્ય ધારા સ્મૃતિ. So Friday, when I heard about this, then I first thought that the parents of Bhavya and Dhara are not in the picture. But then our NG Ben clarified, that Alpesh Bhai wanted to have today. So they said that we will celebrate their birthday on our this occasion. That is Atmiyata. That is very nice. આજે સરસ ડૉક્ટર સાહેબે, ગિરીશભાઈએ, પિન્ટુભાઈ, રાજુભાઈએ સરસ લાભ આપ્યો. ગિરીશભાઈની વાત બહુ જ ટચી લાગી અને ગિરીશભાઈની યાદશક્તિ બી જોરદાર લાગી. આખું પિક્ચરાઇઝ થઈ જાય. યુ કેન પિક્ચરાઇઝ વેન હી વોઝ ટોકિંગ. I was feeling that I was sitting in Tardev. Yeah. But Swamiji's grace, Swamiji's love and affection towards Kothari Swami and Prem Swami and others, is very unique. Mota Purush, when they do certain Leela, it is very difficult to first understand it. And if we understand it, it is very difficult to participate in that. And if we participate, it is very difficult then we are become the selection of such Gunatit saints to to do such things, you know. And there are so many examples like this, you know. Not only in our Swaminarayan Satsang, but outside of that also, you know. And I was listening to this Kathavarta of Hariswarup Swami, you know, and I read that before also, you know, that there was one woman in a town and that she was pregnant before knowing, you know, who would be the, you know, father. And when at that time there were no other methods and means, you know. So when they found out, you know, that woman, to hide her man, blamed on a sadhu who was living in the town, outskirt of the town, saying that because of this person, I am pregnant. So whole town became so mad and so angry towards that sadhu, saying that you are such a bad person, shame on you, this and that. And they gave that child, when the child was born, on the lap of that sadhu, you know, saying that you raised that. Only thing that sadhu says, oh, is that right? That's all. No other thing, nothing, you know. And then few years later, when that lady realized that she has done wrongdoing, she told the whole town that that's not the truth. He was not the person. Then they found the real person, father, you know. So then whole town changed again, saying that, oh, we did all this wrong to the sadhu, and he didn't say anything, you know. So we should ask for a sorry. And they went there, and they asked for sorry. And they say, okay, we will take this child, you know, and we will take care to this proper family. And that sadhu says, oh, is that so? What a balanced status of mind, you know. So, that is one level, you know. But the level that Girish Bhai explained, you know, with Kothari Swami and Swamiji is totally different. It's a Gunatit level, you know. But we want to pray to Maharaj and Gunatit saints that we learn from this and we elevate ourselves from Kothari Swami's, Prem Swami's life, so that we can become the chosen, we can become the humble, you know, devotee of Maharaj and all these Gunatit saints, you know. I think time is running, so we will not continue more. But tomorrow there is a mango utsav. And I was puzzled also, you know, that at Waukegan the discussion was that they want to have only few people and not bother everybody to do that. And the whole thing changed that everybody is coming here now. So, which is good, you know. Right. Yeah. ના, જે આવે સરસ આવે તો સારું, સેવા જ છે. But I saw the thing few hours ago. I heard in Waukegan it's totally flipped here, you know, and everybody is happy. ના, હું સમજી ગયો. It's all good. હા, તો બધા કાલે આવજો. Yeah. Okay. કાલે એકાદશી છે. મેંગોમાં મન નહીં પરવતા ભાઈ, હા. એકાદશી છે, નિર્જળા છે હોય તો કેટલા નિર્જળા કરવાના છે ભાઈ? Who is going to do no water tomorrow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Very good. સરસ. બીજા બધા ગુણ લેજો ભાઈ, હા, જેનાથી નથી થતી. ઓકે, ચાલો. સહજાનંદ સ્વામી મહારાજની જય જય જય.
शरण में आए आस लिए, हमको शुद्ध पावन जन कर दो